Okay, hello. I'm gonna mute the music. Okay, hello. I'm gonna mute the music. Hello. Oh, yep. Feedback. But anyway, hello. Welcome to the stream, everybody. What's up, Whale Tech? Hello. What was your name? Dominic. Hi, Whale Tech. Hello, Blake. Mute my phone. So anyway, undefined welcome. Oh yeah, that's Be right back. I'ma see if I can get a channel. Remember? Yes, I remember you. But anyway, today we are going to. Oh wait, why is it not? Here on the Whale Tech channel, we make sure that absolutely nothing is prepared before we hit record, or in this case, hit go live. But anyway, about that undefined welcome. How did that compile? I don't know what you mean. But anyway, we are here. We also have the stinkiest of webcams today. Hello. But anyway, yeah. So today we're going to be installing LFS on my Dell right here. My Dell has a Beats logo on it, but it's just because I have a oh gosh. That's just because I have a Beats sticker. Very stinky indeed. It's stinky quality. But anyway, we have the Arch that's upside down. We have the Arch, by the way, USB stick. Yes, it's a USB stick. And so we're just going to plug it in. You can't see a thing. I'm holding the camera in free hand, so I can't do it. Can you give me an Internet Archive? No, you find that yourself. In. Open it up. Turn it on. I can't reach the power button. And spam that F12 key. Oh. Okay, nice. So I can't see, but you can. So I need that one. Oh gosh, that's loud. Loud. Okay. That'll do. I don't really like... Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm scared for that to happen, and just scared for the webcam to fall over, so I'm going to get rid of the webcam. I think we can actually... Oh, I can't spell stupid mobile keyboard. That was okay. Well, let's get rid of that. So anyway, we're booting up into Arch. Just going to turn the webcam back on and nothing else. We are booting up Arch Linux. Why can't you put your camera on a tripod or something to show the laptop? Well, this is not my main camera. This is actually just a webcam. Do you have a capture card? Yes, I have one right now hooked up. Let me actually see. Does the capture card work? Nope. I have the Super Mario Brothers NES. Okay. I also have the Super Mario Brothers font on my waybar. Nice. It's a dinky sensor with the lack of a tripod. Yeah, it's literally just an old Logitech 720p webcam. Okay, there we go. We are now booted into the Arch ISO. Did you see the new Gigatech video about the MacBook? Yes, I did. But anyway... Gonna put the camera down, turn it off, and I need to get under. Won't you ever see a webcam have a tripod screw? Exactly. Oh my gosh. Okay. No. IP8. Wait, I just realized. I need my USB Ethernet adapter. Wherever it is. Yeah, once again, here on the Whale Tech channel, we make sure that absolutely nothing is prepared before we hit record. I don't know where this adapter is. Oh no. God, you know what? We can just use Wi-Fi. We can every time he does a video, I copy what he does. Does any of you copy what Gigatech does? Anyway, I can just move OBS to the side there. Ow! Ugh. IWCTL station WLAN connect my network. Nice. Okay, now I actually think I can show the capture. Mainstream 3. Already an ow. Oh, Anyway, yeah, I'm not even going to bother with the capture card because we are connecting over SSH anyway. System CTL enable now SSHD IPA 192.168.0.85. What's your opinion on liquid glass? It looks kind of cool, but no. Oh no, that is system settings. Oh yeah, I just realised I need to do I need to do the ping. Notify video uploads. There we go. There we go. Now I should get a few more people. What's your opinion on Windows XP? Great. Oh no. Oh no, I need to do a root password as well. I'm typing at a really bad angle. There we go. Hey, oh no, that's my. So anyway, we're in the Arch ISO. Nice. I've been with you since the first video. Oh, thanks. But anyway, we're in the Arch ISO. Let's bring up the LFS book. Is this the URL? Yes, this is the URL. No, I don't need multi-lib. I just want LFS. Read. I'm gonna do system D. No, that's the that. Stable LFS system D. How to build an LFS system. That's just showing. Okay, chapter 1 we can skip. So, preparing the host system. I'm creating a Linux from scratch. Okay. Okay, software. So we need bin sh. Bin sh should be a symbolic or hard link to bash. Well, this is definitely not bash. What LFS distro will you use? I'm gonna use this. I'm using the book. I'm doing everything off the book. I'm just gonna move on. Okay, well, we have core utils. We have core utils, we have bash, we have bin utils. We need, can I just sudo pacman-syu, read everything, yeah, read everything. Base devil. Not enough free disk space? What do you mean? Yeah, don't spam. Okay, well, I need something quick. And Arch is quick, so I'm just going to do a quick Arch installation. Oh, yeah, oh, no. Wobbly windows. Put that there. A reboot and it's gone. Yeah, that's why I am installing. I'm just installing it. So, time, date, CTL. Yup, looking good. It's an hour behind, but that's UTC. I have a video ID, okay. Okay, tell me. No, wait, it's already. Wait, hold on. I'm going to be installing LFS on this hard drive. Are we making LFS again? Yes. Dual boot every version of Mac OS. No, someone else already did that. And besides, I'm not ready to spend days on a video. You don't need to prove your arch elitism. We already know you're a well, actually. There, Gen 2. He already has plans for other videos. Yeah, I have a whole spreadsheet on other. My mouse just disconnected. You know, just. Oh, yep, is my mic back? I think my mic's back. Yep, okay, thank you. Just do an Arch install to save time. Checking version. I don't care that there's a new version of Arch install. Okay, Arch install language. Keyboard layout UK. Locale language EN GB. Wherever it is. ENGB.UTF-8. UTF-8 mirrors. Mirror region. All the way down to United Kingdom. Back disk config. I want that one. Select file system, ext4. I don't care about this, but yeah, that's good. Disk encryption, no. Swap, yes. Bootloader, grub, hostname, Arch Linux, root password. That. Oh no, I don't need a user. Profile type minimal. Audio, pulse, kernel, Linux, network config. Where are we? Europe. London. Automatic time sync. Install. Device /dev /SDB. Yes. Formatting. Just gonna music. Oh, yep, we're installing. I have one more video idea. Yeah, tell me. Dude, shut up. The stream is not all about you. Yeah, don't beg, but just show it. Installing Windows 3.1. I already did that a ton of times. Okay, well we're installing GCC this time, so we can actually have GCC. Why no ENUS? Because he's from the UK. Yes, of course. Yay, compiling with no compiler. Extra strong mint to keep me going. Why do you ask that? But why? Why exactly? Pacman, package manager. Whoa! Thank you! Thank you, Odd Bike, if I can still call you Odd Bike, if you're okay with it. Yeah, fine, Whale. I just need a new alias. Okay. Oh, wow. This is extra strong. Dude, some weirdo, some... Okay. Oh, yep, we're booting. I just booted off my main Arch Linux partition. No, Control Alt delete that. Reboot. F12. I think the install is done. Yeah, the Arch install is done. But we need this just to get started with LFS. Jeez, I can't reach. Well, yes, they were acting up. No need to be extreme with it here. Okay, well, we're booted. Bringing back the webcam. Oh, yep, webcam. There we go, we're booted. Also, I forgot to get rid of this earlier, so... Anyway. Who the flip is pinging me? In general. Oh, hey, Alice GD, channel member, got the Switch 2. Yeah, congrats. Oh! Login. SSHD does not exist. Who the flip? Who is pinging me so much? Oh, jeez, no. Oh, Whale, you set pings to all messages. Yeah, I did. I need to know exactly what's happening. Ow. Okay, Pac-Man dash S. Open SSH. Yes. Do it. Do I need a server? No, that doesn't exist. Turn it on. Okay. Sudo Pac-Man dash S B top. Yes. B top. Okay, now we don't have to touch that again. Whale the red alert. Oh no. What is the name of this song? I don't even know. Hey Whale, just a heads up. I have had some minor issues and I had to do a little hoop. Okay, I had to do a little hoop jumping installing LFS off the latest Arch version. Arch toolchain differs slightly from what is required by LFS. I'll see if this works. I'll just see if it works. Now can I connect? Okay, I need to RF. No, just RM. Permission denied. Oh, retracted. Okay, it's already been half an hour and we haven't started with LFS. Control C. Oh no, I'm gonna get copyright claimed by this. I'm gonna get copyright claimed by this. I'm gonna get copyright claimed by this. Okay, change this, change this, change this, change this, change this, change this. No! There we go. No, you're not. Close call. It should. No, it did. It did copyright me for using that. Okay, let's see if this works. Cannot change the... Well, stream's demonetized. No, I think I'm fine. I think I'm fine. Hey, now I'm root. Okay. Cannot find Python. Okay, I need to install Python. Oh wait, no, I don't have sudo. Oh yeah, I can just pacman-sy Python. I got copyrighted for just using Green Hill Zone music in my latest video, which was literally in the game I tasked. Yeah, YouTube copyright is just okay. Yes! 30 minutes in and we've already got a working toolchain. Look at that. Now I'm actually just gonna make a quick... No. Just... mnt/data. Okay, there we go. Building LFS in stages. Okay, creating a new partition. Okay, so that's partition this. I don't need the arch, by the way, USB. Well, thank gosh the camera wasn't on. Just dropped it. It's the one thing I was worried about. Now, oh no. Now, did I get copyright claimed for this? Because I did use dire docs in a video, and I got copyright claimed. Okay, we can delete. So we can make a new 240M EFI system, a 60GB root, and a 128GB home. Know the Nintendo Creators Program? No. Oh. This is a really minimal install of... There we go. Oh. Yeah, I think I'm fine with copyright. Oh my gosh, I'm boiling. Okay. Wait, what's the temperature today? I don't even... What's the temperature? 29 degrees! 29 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna get a fan out because I'm boiling. Any of this? There. Grab the fan. Is this fan cable this short? Ow! 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 I just hit my back. 2. Oh my gosh. Anyway, creating a file system on Partition. I think I have. Setting. Zero 022. Nice. Mounting the new partition. Yep. It's 23. Oh, you're kind of lucky. This is. I wish it was -3. Yeah, no, this is fine. I'm fine with copyright on this, but anyway, Dev. Yeah, Mario 64 music gets copywritten for some reason. Or copy, whatever. Oh yeah, I put it's ext4, not XFS. There we go. Mount /dev/s no NVMe 0N1P1 /MNT/LFS/boot/EFI make the parents verbose. Oh no, parents is a make dir thing. Anyway, it's gonna get to 30 on Monday. Jeez, it's hot. Oh no. We're using a swap partition, which I'm not. I have 32 gigabytes of RAM, so that should be fine. Introduction. Now this is the bit I was stuck on before. Netherlands, this'll do. Alright, the files can be downloaded individually. Stable versions of the toggle can be downloaded. wget. No, okay, cd. Oh, I don't have wget. Apparently, Basically Homeless made a video of installing viruses on a Wii? What's the point? Okay. This is so, wait, no, this one. This is Linux LFS 12. The Wii Shop channel is dead anyway. There is no financial incentive. Exactly. CD sources. Okay. Okay, let me just wget this. I think I know what to do. And then we wget that. And then we download. Yeah, I don't know anymore. I don't know what to say anymore. Also, I set up this little feature on YouTube where when I click on start break, one of my videos plays just while I'm on break. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, yeah, this is taking a while. I'm just gonna leave it for 5 minutes. And perfect time to test the break feature. Muting. Okay. Did I miss anything? Also, audio go no. Okay, well. Hey, welcome to this. So, Gen 2 Linux. I've never really done a long form video on it before, so a viewer thought, why not install it on my Steam Deck? Yes, this is an actual viewer video suggestion, and yes, I'm doing it today. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, this is the worst camera angle ever, but we'll work with it. First we need to turn. Hey, welcome to this. So, Gen 2 Linux. I've never really done a long form video on it before, so a viewer thought, why not install it on my Steam Deck? Yes, this is an actual viewer video suggestion, and yes, I'm doing it today. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, this is the worst camera angle ever, but we'll work with it. So first we need to turn it on and hold down the volume down button. Okay, none of this is working! Well, none of this is working, so... Huh? It's the video... Yeah, YouTube hates me, I guess. YouTube just hates me. We are still downloading. Yes. Yep, YouTube hates me. So I guess I'm just gonna wait here. The video is unavailable. Let's try again. 1 minute. Hey, welcome to this. So, Arch Linux. It's a pretty common theme of my channel. And yeah. So someone suggested that I install the very first version of Arch Linux from, wait, when was it? 2000. Yep, it works. No, I cannot play this. I cannot play this. I cannot play this. I cannot play this. Perfect. Anyway, we downloaded files. Packages. I don't care. Needed patches? No. Okay, create. Type that. Adding the LFS user. Does this work? Yeah, that works. Wait, didn't we already do this? Anyways, Peggle. Yeah, we're gonna do Peggle in a bit. There we go. Now we are in LFS. I have no idea what I'm typing in, but we'll work with this. What? Oh yeah. Permission denied. Nice, now we have LFS. Export, make flags. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. There, that'll do. Now, we source it. And I'm also going to source bash RC about SBUs. Okay. About the test suite. Most packages provide a test suite. Running the test suite for a newly built package is a good idea because it can provide a sanity check. I don't really care about test suites unless they're needed. Important preliminary material. What CLI do you use? What do you mean? Just make a stream playlist with MP3s and shuffle it. That's what I'm doing. This is going to end badly. Not knowing something in LFS is a disaster. No, I've installed LFS before. So, this should be fine. About cross-compilation. I think we already read this. Is the LFS thing, yes. Compiling a cross toolchain. Wait, hold on. I missed something. I need to untar all of this. I've downloaded that. I don't think it told me that I need to extract everything, but anyway, I'll... Okay, I need to tar xpvf and then dot tar dot gz. Not found? What do you mean not found? Don't extract everything all at once. It screws with the compilation later on since timestamps mess up when extracted too long ago. Sanity not found. Doesn't even know what to tell you. Anyway, I'm gonna look through and actually see what I'm doing. Alright, just trying to figure out some stuff. I found the command I ran last time. So it is grep -v dot patch $. I have no idea what I'm running, by the way. Well, I did this before. We pipe it into xargs that an I? That is an I. That's a T. That's an I. Tar dash XVF. Okay, no, I forgot. LS, and then we pipe it into there. Yes, okay, we're actually extracting. And we're already doing better than the first stream. We're only an hour in. It's extracting patches. No, we're excluding patches from this extraction. Oh, yeah, I kind of want to do that though. But I did the wrong thing. Ooh, it's excluding patches. Why? Because I cannot extract patches. Okay, now we cd bin utils. Anyway, I'm gonna run a clock. I'm gonna run a stopwatch. Copy, paste, enter. How long is an SBU? Okay, I think this is already... Something works for everyone else. When you try it, there's a problem. Exactly. You have to make the build directory and then compile inside the build directory. I think I did that, didn't I? 1 sub per second is equal to 1 sub per second. Oh my gosh, I was fast! 53 seconds! 53 seconds! Yeah, it's in build. Now we do GCC. 3.2 SBU. GCC. Okay, remember? 1 SBU equals around 53 seconds. No, yeah, could have written that better. Oh. Okay, well I need a... Oh my gosh, Stack Exchange, give me this symbol. Okay, 1 SBU, that, 53 seconds. There we go. On x64 host. Yes. Compare. We are compiling the compiler, everybody. We are compiling the compiler. I'm gonna pin this. Oh, whoa, that was fast. We are using the compiler to compile the compiler. Have you ever played Half-Life or Gary's mod? No. Soon I'm gonna get a new computer and install Windows on that. Right now I'm on a 13-year-old MacBook, also running Windows. Should I transfer everything from here to there and wipe the Windows install then? Or install Linux? Well, I think we're doing pretty good. I think we might be able to. If so, which one? The last one takes forever and a day. Last time I did it, it took several hours to compile. Well, one SBU is... Hold on, let me try. Let me just do some calculations. How the flip do you compile a compiler? I'm using a compiler to compile a compiler. What's so confusing about that? I'm using a compiler to compile a compiler. Okay, good. No copyright claims. What hardware are you using? I am using an i5 1135 G7 with 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 256 gigabyte NVMe SSD. Ow. I remember last time I did LFS, I had to wait for a 46 SBU package to compile. I think it was GCC. And then took several hours. But this time on real hardware it should be a lot faster. Lucky you having 32 gigabytes or RAM. I only have 8 gigs of DDR2. Well, I have 32 gigs of DDR4. The 46 SBU package is the last GCC compile. Yeah, that was the one that took several hours last time. And I had to end the stream and wait for it to compile while I did other stuff. Well, now this... Yeah, it does. I don't care. I'm also just gonna install Steam while I'm at it. No, wait, just gonna install Steam. Whale Tech, once you're done with LFS, perhaps expand on it as a nice series and do... I think you meant to say do BLFS. Yeah, I really want to do BLFS. Add the Steam repository. Oh no, I clicked on something. Okay. Now we install the Steam launcher. Masked. Oh wait, masked. Okay. I can fix this. Alright, well this is installing LFS and installing Steam. I forgot how good the Gen 2 wiki is. Okay, yep, it's masked. So this one is syslibs libudev compat lib Gen 2 is amazing. I build all my LFS systems on Gen 2. Oh my gosh. For all the Gen 1, for all the fellow Gen 2 users out there, do you have to deal with a lot of these masking, unmasking on a daily basis, or is it just me? Yes, I hate Gen 2 when it comes to packaging. Yeah, Gen 2, I don't hate it, it's just annoying. Oh my gosh, yes. We're doing Gen 2 as well. Will you ever try, did you use, okay, will you ever try ALFS? What is ALFS? What is that, ALFS? ALFS. Oh my god. Oh my gosh! How did I not know about this? How did I not know about this? I'm gonna try that next time I install LFS. You just not have... I am Linux Man, the bringer of shocking information. Anyway, do we have Steam? We have Steam. I got the Nintendo Switch too. Nice. I saw in... Wow, what is my grammar? What is your grammar? Why do we even need this terminal? I also just got Steam as well. Nice. Now, when it comes to... What do you want about grammar? It doesn't exist. Okay, now when it shows the QR code, I am taking it off. I also might need to transfer over my save file. My Peggle. Wait, do I need to transfer my my Peggle save file? Because I can just literally grab my Steam. Oh yes, thank you, Steam. Going on my other monitor just by itself. Steam. Steam guard. Yes! Log in! Is this thing even working? Oh. Okay, I think it just finished as I came down to it. Oh my god. Get up. Anyway, should we do some Peggle? Does this work? Oh yeah, it's still good. I feel like Mint and Android use the same. Anyway, I'm gonna need to go just for a second. I'm gonna need to leave. So I'm just gonna put it on one of my random videos and take a break. Just try and doing the new break feature a lot. After all, it gives you something else to watch while I'm gone. So anyway, I'll be back. Okay, welcome to this. So, package. This is a Lenovo ThinkCentre that I bought off eBay and it finally arrived. So, what am I waiting for? Let's get this open. Okay, got some scissors. And I got a wooden board here. Okay, I don't know how to open. Alright, here we go. This is inside. So let's move the camera a little bit back. And bring out, is there anything in here? Oh yes, there is. It's a box. It's a box inside a box. Now what's inside this box? The power cord, and we have a, oh, so that's where the Wi-Fi antenna went, because the eBay seller said that the Wi-Fi antenna is missing, and here is the actual thing itself. We need that we need that Zelda opening theme. Here it is. Oh, it's cold. Well, what you gotta expect. It's been in a shipping truck for... Oh, come on. Get off. There we go. And I assume this is where you screw in the Wi-Fi aerial. So I'm gonna screw in the Wi-Fi aerial. Boom. So, wow, it's... Yeah, this is cold. So, let's get rid of all the box. And alright, all the box stuff is over there. So, let's have a look at the actual unit itself. So, we have a power button, audio in, audio out, USB 1 and 2. They are both USB 3 ports. And this has an i5 vPro 7th gen. You can't read that, but there you go. On the back, we have power, display port, another USB port, another display port, 3 more USB ports, an Ethernet plug, and an HDMI port. I have no idea where this HDMI port came from, but yeah, I'll need to have a look at the actual specs of the computer. So we have our power cable, and we have this piece of paper. I'm gonna read it first. Okay, that is, it's a lot of personal information on there. And a message from the seller, thanks for your purchase, I hope you love it. Well, so far I do love it. So let's get the monitor out and get this whole thing set up. Okay, I believe we're almost ready. Here's the power cable. I've not plugged it in yet because I don't know if it'll just turn on when you just plug in the power cable, but I'll go do that. Power is in. Alright, it didn't boot up. So, once we get the camera focused, I'm gonna press the power button. Light just turned green. The eye in ThinkCentre is lit up. I don't know what input it's using. Put it on HDMI 1. Hey! Look at that! It's working! Oh, and we're logging in. The previous owner set the username was just yay! Look at that! Alright, so we're in. My mouse works. My Lenovo mouse works. So yeah, let's just see what we got on here. It seems to just be a clean install of Windows. You can load up Microsoft Edge, the worst browser of all time. Probably tied with Chrome. Oh, Yeah, I forgot. I'm not on the internet. So let me... Wanna play a game while you wait? Yeah, that's just ripped from Chrome. What even is the game? Oh, it's working. It's actually working. Okay. So yeah, we have it. Let's load up YouTube, and do we have audio? It's really quiet, but there is audio. So yeah, we're on my channel. Oh, and
Hey, what was this? So, the Nintendo Wii U. This thing is great. I need a light for this because you can't see anything in here.
yeah, sound works. So yeah, it works. So now, let's see the specs. Okay, I'm back. And it's music that I won't get copyright claimed. So I already did make install off camera. Let's get the API headers. Where are they? Let's not see the specs. I remember looking up whale tech on YouTube, and one video that popped up is, can air tags track whales? Oh, okay, I'll make it quieter. There we go. Well, Tech, what are you using the ThinkCentre? Oh, I'm using it as a server. Why did the music spike up for 1 millisecond? Oh yeah, I was manually typing in the, I was trying to type -20. So I typed in -2, -20. Yeah, I don't know. Oh yes. What am I doing? mc.whaletare.ch. I'm actually working on a new server. New Minecraft server. Just a little creative thing. Okay, do the patch. What? What? Oh. Oh my gosh, yeah, what am I doing? What am I doing? I'm gonna do that again. WhaleTech, are you hosting your website on a local PC or something? Because I recall looking around and nothing being able to find any further info about it. I am hosting my website on GitHub. So far, I haven't had to recompile my system yet. And then it's a screenshot of Gentoo. Nice. Remember to hydrate. No, I have 2 cups of water, so... There we go. Okay, what am I doing? I need to really, get in and configure glibc for compilation. Are you on Gentoo? Yeah, I'm on Gentoo. Oh, do you know what? Do you know what would be better than fastfetch? Oh, by the way. I have a command called oh by the way. That is literally if I cat my bash RC, this is oh by the way is clear and fast batch. Exit. Okay, now I need to make. If LFS is not properly set and despite the recommendations you're building as root, the next command will install the newly built glibc to your host system. Haha, oh by the way command. Yeah, I just love that. Watching YouTube videos in the TTY is the funniest thing. What's cat? I'm not really a Linux guy. Well, cat is basically the equivalent of type in the Windows command prompt. So if I put in that in a file, yes, and then we cat file.txt, it prints out the contents of file.txt. The bitrate is gone. What do you mean the bitrate is gone? I'm streaming at a... My mouse went out again. I'm streaming at a pretty good 3000. Hold on. Wait, what bitrate am I supposed to be streaming at? What's the bitrate I'm supposed to be streaming at? Stream, output, bitrate. I can change the bitrate. I'm streaming at around 3,500 to 4,000 kilobits. The terminal behind the... Oh my gosh, okay, get rid of that. Change it to 1. No, I'm not changing my bitrate to 1. You should try to adjust this to look like a stream border thing. No, I'm fine. Thanks. It's the terminal. Do you want me to up the bitrate? Do you want me to up the bitrate? But okay, I need a... Okay, just doing a bit of a looking up here. The bitrate. Oh my gosh, I am... Okay, I'm upping my bitrate. I am upping the bitrate. This is way too low of a bitrate. I up it to 8,000. Oh, yeah. Bitrate's gone up. There we go. Now we have a good amount of bitrate. There's the bitrate better now. I'm streaming at 8. Gee, what just happened? Oh, hey, oh gosh, nope. I'm not pronouncing that name. Do 10,000. I'm doing 8,000. That happened. Yeah, that happened. Well, thanks for subscribing. I think bitrate change requires a restart. No, I'm fine. I just changed the bitrate on the fly, and now OBS says I'm streaming at 10,000 kilobits per second. It's fluctuating between 6,000 and 10,000 right now. I have it set to 8,000. So, install this. YouTube should have name requirement. What do you mean? Yes, your stream is now unstable. Is LFS to Gentoo? What? Gentoo is to Arch? What? Like, names that should not exist? Yes, exactly. Oh yeah, I get what you mean by that. Person who just subscribed. Okay, let's perform a sanity check. Removed. Okay. // lib. Lib. From GCC, add GCC. You must first unpack the GCC tarball and change to the back into GCC. Alright, CD build 2. Build 2. And now I'm in build 2. Make. Install that library and remove. I'm currently downloading a Debian ISO. Okay, I'm currently downloading a Debian ISO so I can start building LFS. I mean, I spent 7 uninterrupted hours coding in assembly like 2 weeks ago. Bruh, spelling. Yeah, Debian. Okay, well, I've finished my first cup of water. Time for my second. Anyway, that's done. Now we are cross-compiling temporary tools. Alright, cd // m4. Let's see how much we can get done in 3 hours. Oh, what is MX based off? Debian. 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 Error? What do you mean, error? Should be fine. Oh. What? Debian kind of sucks in my opinion. No, I call it Debian. It's idiot in Bulgarian. Anyway, let's try this again. Make. What? Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm gonna look this up. Okay. This chapter shows how to cross-compile basic utilities. Yeah. much space do I need for LFS? It says in the book. Okay, can you help me? Chat, can you help with... How do I fix this? Because if I go here, recompile glibc. Okay, I'll recompile glibc. Where are we, glibc? Okay, cd /glibc. First, create a symbolic link. Now we patch it. Skipping patch. rm-rf build. We're starting with a fresh build suite. I was on chapter 6.1. There. Well, I'm gonna try recompiling glibc and see. Check for errors and go back to M4. Did you run menu config? Wait, what do you even compile? I'm compiling M4. Now, make. I found the issue. What's the issue? I found the issue. Scroll up the book. Where? What chapter? Okay, how do I fix this? I am right now just recompiling glibc. I don't know. Listen to smart guy. Scroll up so I can see the command. Okay. So I'm doing glib. Okay, so I'm here. Right here on M4. And then I did this. It gave me an error too, saying, hold on, what was the error? The error was that it assumed the value of MB_len_max wrong. I'll just paste it in chat if you want to see the error. Okay, the compiler is broken because it doesn't have the dependency apparently. So what do I need to do? The GCC guide has a check command returning nothing. So should I try? I'm gonna try recompiling. Okay, go back to the GCC section. Where is the GCC section? GCC. Here's the GCC section. Raising the bitrate to high will cause dropped frames. Well, I don't see any dropped frames on OBS, so I think I'm fine. Scroll down a bit. Bit more. Can you please just send me a link? There are dropping frames. Wait, are they? Let me actually check. Are frames being dropped? Oh yeah, no, the bitrate is terrible. I can tell what you're talking about. The bitrate is terrible. Okay. I'm just trying glibc just as, I don't know. Wait! glibc gave an error. glibc gave an error. Cannot find lgcc_s. No such file or directory. I'll paste this in chat for you too. Oh no, I don't. I can't. There we go. That's the error I'm getting. No such file or directory. Exactly. The check command is returning nothing for exactly that dependency. Recompile GCC. Okay, I'll recompile GCC. GCC. Okay. cd.rm-rf build. cd./GCC. Okay. GCC requires all of that. In fact, no, just install the dependency. Wait, what dependency? LGC. I'm just gonna reinstall. I'm just gonna reinstall GCC. Starting from a clean slate. I think we already did. One line at a time. Take your time with GCC. On x64, that one recommends building GCC in a dedicated directory. I'm in the build directory. Now we grab that. Okay, everything looks fine. Make. GCC is fun! Yes, GCC is fun! Ensure that the ldconfig and sln utilities are installed into user bin echo. This is broken. Ensure that the... Well, this is broken. It's not GCC. In the glibc section. Okay, well I'm already recompiling GCC, so I'm just gonna leave it to... I'm just gonna let it recompile GCC. I'm actually gonna... I think we... really tight. Having issues. Having issues. No. Wait, what did I just drag? Oh, that's my break thing. And I know this might be bothering you, so boom, it's aligned. I don't know anymore. To be fair, I'm backtracking. It might not be GCC, but glibc errored out. I think I missed a lineup. I don't know what you mean, but I trust you. Recompiling GCC won't hurt, yeah. So... Oh. I mean, I personally think it's useless recompiling it, but just to make sure. Better safe than sorry. Yeah, someone did say... Yeah, recompiled... Yeah. Joanne, recompiled GCC. I'll go for another hour and a bit, then I'll start ending. Yay, but my VM is creating itself. And it over now. Cool. Yes, it's already 4:12. Back after searching for a spot with good shade because it was too hot inside. Oh, my server hibernated itself again. Ah! I love you pressing to chat messages, lol. Thanks. Sever a brain cell. What is happening today? I don't know. Good, no copyright claims. Anyway, let's see if it's 5:12 at my place, and I still have this excruciating heat until 7 o'clock. No, I just tried distros for the fun of it. French time. No, not. Oh, yeah, French time. I thought you were gonna. I thought it was. Oui, Oh wait, top chat should go into live chat. You're lucky with the heat. I have -4 for mornings and 11 for afternoon. Jeez, that's cold. Baguette go wee wee. Winter time here, but I love it. I love living in a pod. You from Australia then? No, Bulgaria. Every winter has been colder here and every summer has been hotter for the past. Oh, yep, that's me out of water. It's Australia. It's also South America, some of Africa, etc, etc. You have the spiders in the heat, but no other bugs. Oh, yeah. Ah, yes, LFS. Where are we? Recompiling GCC. Mosquitoes. There aren't that many bugs. That's for the full version of Australia. Oh, hello, weird video gamer. Don't let the nuclear power plant melt down or we'll have oh, yeah. What about Australia Deluxe? I'm going for a quick okay. Alright, see you in a bit. Dank pods. Australia is the country where okay. Ugh. Australia is the country where every animal wants to kill you when you step 1 foot out the door, lol. Oh wait, I'm gonna play All-Star on my Arduino. Anyway, I need to... In the glibc section. Okay, I need to redo... What's up, little... Oh, hey, Lollapalooza. Did you know rat brain tissue can run... Really? Really? Gotta go bye. Alright, bye. Anything can run Doom. I didn't think anything... There was a whole scientific write-up. Gut bacteria can also run... Really? I just... Also a scientific write-up for that. Yeah, an Arduino, definitely. If rat brain tissue can run Doom, an Arduino can definitely run Doom. At 1 frame per day. Yeah, you can run Doom on a microwave. Opinion on games now requiring ray tracing, terrible. Like, you gotta think about the budget, GPU people. Without ray tracing. Oh, yep, and this is the one where it takes absolutely forever. So I'm going on break. See you in a... Oh, yeah, should probably change the video. Alright, well, I'm going on break. So, it's just Arch Linux on an EPC. Okay. I'm going on break for the next 5 minutes, so I'll see you in a bit. Jeez. No, no, no. End break. YouTube hates me.
Hey, welcome to this.
Oh, yes, that works.
Arch Linux, right? I've done a few videos on it before. So I thought, why not install it on this thing? This is an EPC 901. I've made a video on it before, and yeah, we're going to be installing Arch Linux on this. So yeah, no more intro. Let's get started. Alright, scene change. We have our USB stick. So let's plug it in, turn it on, and spam that escape key. And we're in. So let's boot off the SanDisk and boot into the Arch Linux 32. Install media. And after a little bit, we're in. So we're gonna load keys UK. Yes. I absolutely hate this keyboard. I'm gonna grab an external one. I got the external keyboard in so I can actually have a comfortable experience for once. Anyway, IWCTL. Oh, there is WLAN 0. Okay, perfect. Network is unreachable. Oh, yeah, there we go. We're on the network. So now what do? Partition the drive. CF disk. Yup, that is my Windows partition. So I'm gonna delete. I'm gonna, yup, MS-DOS, that'll do. So I need to go pack strap. That'll do for right now. Oh, puppy, this is slow. Alright, we are downloading. Yeah, Pentium 4, because this is totally a Pentium 4. Anyway, let's let this install. What? Alright, so I've been dealing with those certificate errors for a good 15 minutes now. And would you look at that? We're actually installing stuff. So, GPG wasn't cooperating with my, with the certificates, so I made it cooperate with the certificates. But anyway, it's installing now. I'm gonna get it back on the tripod, and we're gonna continue. Alright, so
D break has ended. I need to. We're doing glibc again. Make sure that. Okay, now I need to patch it. Now I need to build it. Now I need to make sure that the LDN config params. Yep. Now we prepare glibc. Why does Proxmox in Bulgarian have a balloon device? It keeps showing up! Oh my gosh, my voice. Ow. Make. Why does Proxmox in Bulgarian have a balloon device? It keeps showing up! Yeah, I don't know. I don't speak Bulgarian. Oh no, we're dropping. We are dropping. I think we are dropping frames. We are dropping frames as we speak. We are literally dropping frames as we speak. Here, 160. I am lowering the bit rate. Alright, there we go. Bit rate lowered. Frame OBS. Just echo LFS quickly. No, our frames! I think we're good now. Oh, geez, who's pinging me? Ping. Hi. Hey. Hey, we have over 100 views, which is nice. Let's see here. How much watch time do we have? 24.9. That's pretty nice. Do not buy new budget laptop. Buy old expensive laptop for cheap. Yeah, exactly. You're popular. You're popular. You're popular. Neptune, that's what's up. RAM up the machine and upgrade to an SSD. Get that running with some Linux and a window manager like i3. That was me, hee. If you want new, it's because new cheap stuff was designed to be bad. Yeah, just buy an old. If you're looking for a computer, just buy an old ThinkPad. I have a ThinkPad X260 that I literally bought. That I literally got for free, and just bought a £20 keyboard replacement, stuck it in, and boom, now it works perfectly. If you are a member, you would have seen the video where I first tested it. So, I love 1080p downscaled 720. Crispy pixels. Okay. Perfect. Oh, nice. I think it's just the rapidly scrolling. Okay, we have the same problem. Wait, is Whale Tech using a laptop? No, I'm not. Error 2 on GCC. fix the issue from the check command. Ensure that the LD config. I have ran this. But I'll run it again. Hold on. RM config. I'll run this. Hey, WhaleTech, how did you do the Minecraft server? But it checks it. It does not fix it. Oh my gosh, I just realized I'm playing Dire Docks. I cannot play this. You have to fix it yourself manually. Oh shit. How do I fix it? It says ensure. Yeah, we're demonetized. So, ensure that LD config and SLN utilities are installed into user. Let me actually check. Make a sim link. Will the stream get taken down? No, my stream will just get a copyright claim. Okay, let me actually... Yeah, they're both in there. It's a user S-bin. They are both in here. I wish they had VOD tracks. Like, wait, do you even have LD config and SLN installed? Are they just Pac-Man packages? LD config arch. Well, they are in here. Is it just... Hold on, we're getting out of this. Is this even... No. I think so. Wait, let me read the error again. Here's the error. Oh my gosh. There's the error. Wait, is this even working? Yep. No, because then it would be too long. I can... Well, 0x0 time. Or on the web. Still glibc. I'm actually just gonna send, file 2. Cat file2.txt, yep. And then we pipe that into curl-f file equals Did I do that correctly? Wait, why is my door open? I'm getting Batman noise. That was really loud. Still glibc. Wait, is this even how you upload go? Oh, I guess that exiting the grub command line will exit the system. Oh yeah, dire docs. Nope, I can't. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think. Maybe it's because I'm talking. Whoa! No, because the playlist is actually the playlist is actually just a web page. So it would be a bit of a pain to change. I'll do that for next time. No, yeah, I got in trouble on one of the streams for using docs, so... Hold on, is this syntax correct? What do you mean it's a web page? I made a web page. Yeah, it's in the description. No, that's Steam. In the web, it's a web page. It is literally just a web page. Other OBS, it's literally just this. This random.html is the playlist. Anyway, how do I get this over? Oh. God, you know what? I could just put it in paste bin. Yeah, paste bin. Right up. Scared to see what's in here. Oh yeah, it's probably just there's paste bin. Paste exposure. Can I literally just use paste bin? Capture. Okay, there we go. There's paste bin. There it is. You have a paste bin? No, I'm just doing this as a guest. There's the arrow. But I keep using Control-C to uncapture the VM, to uncapture the mouse from the VM instead of Control-Alt, and I keep stopping stuff. Yeah, that's... I don't do that, but I can understand how that would be actually pretty annoying. Can you send the... Well, there's the... There it is. There's the paste. That means it can't find libgcc. Do I have GCC? But we are building libgcc. My mouse just went out again. But we are building libgcc. Exactly. Oh no. What? Hold on, let me try. Let me actually try something. Yeah, we have GCC on the host. Do you have libgcc installed? Libgcc. No. I have just GCC. I have reinstalled here. I'm gonna... There, GCC. There we go. I just reinstalled GCC on my main machine. Sudo pacman-sy gcc libs. Yeah, it's already installed. And let me actually try sy. I installed, change the MNT LFS. Let me actually just check. Echo LFS. Yeah, MNT LFS is there. Shoot, it's not supposed to be there. What? Okay, what have I done wrong? Where should it even be? Come on. LFS, there we go. I'm in LFS. I'm the LFS user. CD. No, where are we? Let me just get that error again. Make that. Don't tell me you are using Pac-Man on Gen 2. No, this is a different computer. I am currently SSH'd into a different computer. This is different. Yeah, I'm SSH'd. So, yeah, see if I make. It makes. It made! It did it! It did it! It did it! It did it! It actually made it! It made it! Look, no errors! No errors! No errors! No errors! I'm not complaining! Moving on! What did we even do? I don't know! Okay, well, I'm gonna keep an eye out for errors from now on. Arch builds are troublesome. Yeah, I don't think I should have done Arch. Next stream, I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna try something else. You just reinstalled GCC libs and GCC a ton of times, and it just works. Yeah, it just works. What? Let me check, let me check, let me check, let me check. Any errors? GCC. Okay, that compiled. No, that just built the tick program on the host. Oh my gosh. Okay, change the text. Change the text. Where is the text? The text to it's working. No! It's working. There we go. Now slow down. You're doing this too fast. Read the warnings. Read everything. I read the warnings. The meaning. I've done that. I make. If it tells me to do something, I'll do it. Well, no. I told her the same thing. Well, Emma, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my, wait, what's happening to the latency? Install the package. Nothing's there. Moving on. Nice, that worked. One ChatGPT away. But it also fixed itself. Yeah, that was a bit... Well, there's nothing that I really need to read here. It's... Well, I already have read it, and it's nothing that I need. Him, her, him, chat, I'm confused. I'm confused. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. We have more errors. More errors. What's going on here? Some people use him, some her, referring to well text. I am a he, him. Okay, what's going on? Oh. Yeah, we have... Yeah, I got confused. But anyway, error. Yeah. I'm gonna try. Tie. Nice. Like, most dudes can't do that. I can. Anyway, copy. Paste that in. Any errors? No errors. Next stream, I'm going to try this on a different distro. Because... yup. More errors. Alright, I'm putting this on paste bin as well. I need to add a new paste. There's this error. Big. It's big. There's lots of. We have an error. There's lots of them. But you can't. Oh my god, my mouse just died again. Yeah, I think it might just be my USB hub. Yep, there we go, it's back. Paste bin. Hold on, I'm not even going to put text here. I'm not even going to bother with text. Here, do you know what? I'm going to engage with my audience. I'm going to start a poll. Should I end the stream here? Should I end the stream here and try again tomorrow with a different distro? Try LFS. Next time. I went yes, just because I know Arch has issues. You already installed LFS, correct? I installed LFS once before, but I want to try the skills transfer over. I'm actually going to take a look at ALFS. Alright, so... no. Getting a whole lot of... no. Open Mandriva LFS. Also, maybe try Debian as your host build machine. Oh, whoa, just check. Can I stream a game in voice chat? Debian. And yeah, I'm gonna try Debian. Just do LFS, put it on a Gen 2 live USB. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Because last time I did Open Mandriva and I did not run into any of these issues. Such as Debian, Open Mandriva, Fedora, or OpenSUSE. So, Debian. Also, maybe try Debian as your host build machine. Yeah, I might actually try, okay, next time, I'm gonna try Debian SID as my host build system, and I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna end the poll. I've never built LFS on Debian. Well, it does include Debian in one of the examples. Open Mandriva is also good for LFS. So I'm gonna probably cut it here, even though I know you said not to. Debian seems stable. I'm probably just gonna use Debian SID because I need the latest versions of stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna try that. Probably gonna end the stream here, even though I know you told me not to, but I am getting kind of use MX, use 12, not 13. Yeah, I'm gonna. Wait, what? Yeah, Debian 12. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Debian.org. So should I use stable testing or SID for Debian? Trixie is unstable right now. Yeah. When I use Debian, I always use SID, just because SID. But I am thinking of use stable LFS. No, I'm talking about Debian. Stable testing or use stable LTS. This is Debian, not Ubuntu. Stable LTS. Should I use for Debian stable testing or SID Debian? Yeah, I'm gonna do this as a poll. Just join. Thank you. Anyway, use stable, not 13. I'm building LFS today on 12. Anyway, I actually have a Debian virtual machine. I'm actually gonna. Okay, well, I'm actually gonna just make a quick new virtual machine. I joined. I'm building LFS stable. 13 has serious issues. Okay. So, browse local, because I already have Debian 12, yeah. I'm just gonna make it quick. 4, 2 cores, because I don't really need this. This is just a test virtual machine. He needs new software though. Yeah, well, if it's 60 gigs, because why not? That one, Debian 12, Debian stable. UEFI. Yep. Tablet, no tablet. None. OpenGL. With 3D acceleration. No TPM. Begin. Okay, so I'm gonna try and just install Debian. I'm gonna install Debian. I'm gonna run that first little build test. See if everything is present on the system script in the book. And then if it is, then I'm gonna end the stream. He also has the first. What? Built LFS on Windows XP? Okay, configuring the network. Alright, yeah, hostname, Debian. I typed in Debian! I typed in Debian again! Oh no, but the stream latency! Oh no! The stream latency! Hold on, it's my... Oh my... Yes, I'm keeping it Debian! Oh, yes! I'm keeping it Debian! Okay, root password, no root password, whale tech 0788. Debian. Hold on, yes, this is perfect. Use entire disk, all files in one partition. Yes, that'll do. Oh, just Debian VM. This is our new inside job. Oh yeah, I'm gonna send this in announcements. No, I'm gonna send this in general. No, I'm gonna send it in garbage. Garbage. Debian. What should be the logo for Debian? Should it literally just be the Debian logo, but off in some way? And okay, so next time I'm gonna need to do myself. Yes. Reverse the swirl. Okay, I'm actually gonna, while Debian is installing, I'm gonna go into Krita. Yes, I call it Krita, not Critter. I'm just gonna go 800 by 800. Grab the Debian logo. I will come for your next stream. I'll come for the next stream. Just promise me one thing. Take your time with each step. I changed the emoji name to Debina. No. Change it back. I'm making the new Debina emoji. Debian logo. Okay, give me this SVG. Save as open logo SVG. And now we have an SVG of the Debian logo. Oh my gosh. Yep, there we go. Okay, well now we have Debian. So let's reverse it, mirror horizontal, and I also have a little fun thing to do, which is to adjust the Control A. Do I need a layer under it? Why can't I control U? Bruh. Save it as just Debian. Debian. Oh, okay, fine. Debian. With. Okay. Debian 1. Dot. Really need to go. JPEG. And then. No, wait, no, not a JPEG. What am I thinking? Doing it as a JPEG. Scan more media? No. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that's just bash doing bash. Yeah, look. Do PNG. Way back when I commented on this video of you saying I'll do LFS for this very reason. It's a fantastic learning platform. Looking forward to your next one. Okay, I'm gonna close out of this SSH session. I'm closing out of everything here. All we really need is this. Yay, Wii U. That is not dire docs, so we're good. In pictures, Debian. Alright, let's just reload it and see. Can I do filters? Why can't I do filters? Is it to do with my? It might be to do with my actual Krita. But I did effects on okay, Debian 1 dot PNG. I'm not thinking. PNG, large file size. Debian 1 dot PNG. Open it up in Krita. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now we. Oh yes, I can HSV adjust. No, wait, I can HSV invert. Inverting would be quite funny. Invert. Now we have blue. It's blue. Okay, well that's Debian. Except that's quite big, so. Debian. Looks like Monster Energy. Alright, well, here's our Debian logo. Save that. And boom. Debian. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to. Wrong monitor. Server settings. Emoji. Debian. How many slots do I have? 12. Grab pictures. Debian. Now you can use Debian. Here. Garbage. Oh, yep, someone's in there. Garbage. Debian. Boom, now there's Debian. Wait, do you know what? Oh my gosh, this is perfect for members. Earn memberships. I'm gonna change badges and emoji. Who the logo? I'm gonna remove and I'm gonna add another emoji. Okay, I can upload up to 5. Discard. Badges and emoji. I'm actually gonna remove Debian and then upload in pictures Debian. What other one do you want? Why does rule 13? Now I need to make Debian. What is rule 13? Why does that exist? Oh yeah, because they are not particular. Yay, Debian. Yeah, because they're not particularly people I want in there. So anyway. What other one do you want? So we have Arch, Gen 2, Debian. What do I have? In pictures. Here, I'll actually just Debian. Save and publish. Changes saved. Now you can add emotes. Whale Tech should make his own OS called Debian. That would be amazing. Yeah, Debian based on Debian. And now members can use Debian. Sure, I'll participate in the popularity contest. No. I'll do XFC. Hey! No, that's Debian. That's Debian. Hey, Debian! Anyway, I am going for far longer than I would like to admit. I need to go. I need to leave. I'll be back in a minute. But in the meantime, I just love this new break feature. I'll give you another random one of my videos quickly. And mute myself.
Hey, welcome to this. So, the Nintendo Wii. This thing is great, released in 2006, and it's just great console, great modding capabilities, great everything. But some people have managed to get Windows NT running on the thing using this GitHub project that's linked in the description. I think it's called NT for Work Cubes. NT spelled NT. But anyway, I have it on an SD card. Well, I don't have it on an SD card. I'm going to transfer it to an SD card. And we're just going to install Windows NT on my Wii. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we're back. We have an SD folder. And inside of this SD folder is everything that we need. So we're going to mount and we're going to copy everything into it. So we're going to apply to all right into. Alright, everything should be copied over. We have our SD card. It's not in focus, but we're going to put it in our SD card adapter and stick it into the Wii U. Let's go into the homebrew channel now. Unfortunately, we don't have any sound. This monitor does not have speakers, but sound doesn't work in NT anyway. So here it is. Here is NT. Alright, close it. Let's load it up. Hey, look at that. Does the keyboard work? Yes, it does. So let's run firmware setup. Create disk image. Slow. Let's repartition. There. Warning, all data on disk image HD00 will be lost. Yes. Successfully repartitioned. Okay. Restart. Now will that restart the it's gonna restart the actual console. Oh yeah, it's gone on the gamepad. Yeah, it's on the gamepad and it's on the Wii U menu, so we're gonna get back into Wii mode. You can open up the Wii menu directly. Well, because my console's modded, that doesn't work. Okay. Wii menu. TV and gamepad. I selected TV and gamepad. Alright, stand the gamepad up. Press plus on the Wii remote. Well, I'm not even going to be using the gamepad. I'm actually just going to be using just the TV. Alright, run NT setup from CD00. I'll do that. Oh, it doesn't work. I have to do it on the keyboard. Run NT setup from CD. Path cannot be resolved. What? Did I put it on incorrectly? Okay, I'm gonna remove the SD card. See what I've done wrong. I named it Disk 00 with a C, not Disk 00 with a K. Alright, there we go. Now we can eject. And hopefully we can hot swap because, yeah. Plug it back in. Alright, we're in. Run. Nope. Alright, so we're gonna get out of this. Oh yeah, I can't use the gamepad. Restart. So we can run NT setup. Hey, look at that. We are in. So we can go other, enter, Nintendo, GameCube, Wii and Wii U. That is my computer. If you do not have mass storage devices, I have S, other, Nintendo Wii SD slot. Okay, I'm going to configure another one. Nintendo Wii USB via iOS. I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna look at the documentation again. Okay, well I think that's all I need because I'm not using an SD Gecko or a GameCube controller. Continue. Next, I need this one. Oh! It's working! It's actually working! Okay. Oh my gosh! This is working! It's recognized it. I don't have any more. Page down. Does the page down key actually work? The page down key actually works. F8. Okay, unmute myself. Okay, well we are almost done with the Debian installation. Does that mean if someone designs a multiprocessor GameCube, NT will use it? No, I don't think so, because I think NT is just a single core. NT is a really single core, single thread. Yeah, no, oh yeah, no it's not. I'm thinking of Windows 98.
thinking of Windows 98. So, oh my gosh, the beaner! We have the beaner. And we have working mouse support. Do we have working mouse support? Okay, no, we don't have working mouse support. We need to add working mouse support. EV touch. Now, do we have working mouse support? We have working mouse support. So, let's pull up Firefox, that'll do. Let's actually change the system. No, it's in settings. Display. Let's change it to something like 1440 by 900. Keep the config. Okay, yeah, this'll do. Linux from scratch.org. LFS. Why would I want read online? Stable. Host system requirements. Let's see. Let's run this. Disable dialog. Paste. Okay. We are missing a lot of stuff here. We need bin utils. Okay. Sudo apt install G. Is G++ just the... Yes, G++ is just a thing. I gotta go now. You'll have a good one. Alright. You too. So we need bin utils. So, sudo apt install. We need bin utils. Oh. Okay, well I need that one. Okay, well I need to install. Okay, sudo apt install auto make that flax libtool pkg config. I patch wget curl file and git. Yes. Download. Oh no, it's Mario 64. I cannot play Mario 64. No! Okay, good. Is not bash. G++ does not work. Okay, let's just install G++. Install all of that. Oh, no, that's not. Why do you even have them in there? I can't just remove them. Okay. Error, SH is not bash. Okay, I'm gonna ln dash. Maybe just make 2 playlists. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna fix the whole playlist thing. ln-sf. One for yourself and one for a stream. No, I don't. No, this is my stream playlist, so bin bash to bin sh. Okay. Then why does it have copyrighted songs? I don't know they're copyrighted. I didn't know when I was making the playlist. Anyway, I'm gonna figure out how to make a proper playlist system. Yeah, I'm apparently fine with this, but not a dire docs. I got copyright claimed on my last stream for using dire docs. And it looks like I am free of a copyright claim so far. Seaside Kingdom. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, this is Seaside Kingdom. But anyway. Okay, well I need 2. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna write up a quick script here. Do you know what? I can just use VS Code. This is fine. Oh yeah, I was just using VS Code just to peel it. No, I don't want to go through that whole process of disputing a copyright claim. Alright, new. User bin env bash. So we need sudo apt. Oh yep, now it just detected that I am now that I am writing a bash script. Sudo apt install. Okay. So I need to go auto make. .sh. There we go, LFS the Bina prep. There's our file, and I wrote some just quick shell. So anyway, I'm gonna stop the stream now. Yeah, I'm gonna stop the stream now. So thank you all for coming by. If you enjoyed the stream, leave a like. If you have something to say, leave a comment afterwards. And if you want to see more, subscribe. And if you want to see even more, become a channel member. I just had to say that. And speaking of channel members, I want to thank my And speaking of channel members, I want to thank my channel members, Woecrafters, Simply PH0, Lollapaloozan, Alice GD, and I'll see you in the next one.